Have you ever wondered what happens to the trash you throw away every day? It's a question that may not cross our minds often, but it's one that holds significant implications for our planet. Each day, humanity generates an astronomical volume of waste. From the packaging of the sandwich we had for lunch to the old phone we just replaced, waste is an unavoidable byproduct of our daily lives. However, managing this waste is not as straightforward as it seems. It's a colossal task that presents immense challenges, from logistical hurdles to financial constraints. And it's not just about out of sight, out of mind. Improper waste management can lead to severe environmental impacts, such as water contamination and air pollution, not to mention the considerable public health risks it poses. The stakes are high, and there's no denying the gravity of the situation. We each play a part in this solid waste conundrum, but could there be a solution within our reach? Imagine a world where waste doesn't just end up in a landfill, but becomes a resource. Now let's explore how we can make this vision a reality. Firstly, let's talk about waste reduction. It's simple. The less we produce, the less we need to manage. This means being mindful of what we buy and how much we use. It's about choosing products with less packaging and reusing items as much as possible. Next up is recycling, a process many of us are already familiar with. By separating our waste into paper, plastic, glass, and metal, we can help these materials find a new life. But remember, recycling isn't just about separating your trash. It's also about buying products made from recycled materials. Then there's composting, a fantastic way to turn organic waste like food scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich soil. Not only does this reduce the amount of waste going to landfills, but it also provides a natural, chemical-free fertilizer for gardens and farms. Lastly, we have energy recovery. This involves converting non-recyclable waste into usable heat, electricity, or fuel through various processes. It's a way of squeezing every last bit of value out of our waste. Each of these solutions requires participation from individuals, communities, and governments. We all have a part to play in sustainable waste management. It's not just about managing waste, but transforming it. Each of us has the power to turn waste into a resource. It just requires a shift in perspective. So, what can we take away from our discussion on solid waste management? Firstly, it's clear that managing solid waste is a pressing global issue. Secondly, sustainable waste management strategies are not just feasible, they're vital. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle, are more important than ever. And lastly, each individual plays a crucial role. We can all contribute to a cleaner, greener future. Remember, the solution to our waste problem starts with you. Be mindful, be responsible, and let's make a difference together.